What if you could finally see exactly where your marketing dollars are going and know for certain what's working and what's not? Introducing the Total Online Presence Audit, the TOPA protocol. Your business deserves clarity, not guesswork. Is your marketing truly managed, or are you just hoping for the best? Too many business owners are investing time, money, and energy into marketing tactics with no real way to measure results. Sound familiar? You're not alone. The problem isn't effort, it's visibility. Without a clear view of your full digital footprint, you can't know how you rank against competitors, which tactics actually drive ROI, or where the hidden gaps in your strategy are costing you money every single day. That's exactly why the Total Online Presence Audit was created. TOPA brings complete clarity and accountability to your digital presence, giving you a real, honest assessment of where you stand and a clear roadmap for where to go. The architecture of clarity is built on 4 pillars. Visibility, so you know exactly how you appear online. Diagnostics, a deep analysis of what's working and what's broken. Strategy, a prioritized plan built specifically for your business. And confidence, the certainty to invest your marketing dollars with purpose. Our 360-degree diagnostic examines every corner of your digital world, your website and user experience, your search and AI rankings, your content and social presence, and your paid advertising and competitive landscape. Nothing gets missed. This is the marketing paradigm shift your business needs. Traditional marketing keeps you guessing, reactive, scattered, and hard to measure. The TOPA method delivers clarity, strategy, and measurable investment. It's not just marketing, it's marketing intelligence. Here's what you get: a comprehensive audit report, a prioritized action plan, competitive benchmarking so you know exactly where you stand, and clear ROI pathways. So every dollar you spend from this point forward has a purpose. Here's how it works. Step 1. You request your audit. Step 2. Our team conducts a deep, thorough diagnostic of your entire digital footprint. Step 3. We build your customized strategic roadmap. Step 4. We walk you through it all in an executive-level presentation with full recommendations in hand. Is TOPA right for you? If you're a business owner who's serious about growth, frustrated with unclear results, and ready to invest with intention, this is for you. If you're looking for quick fixes or you're not ready to act on insights, this may not be the right fit. For a single, one-time investment, you'll receive the most comprehensive digital audit available, backed by a full 30-day risk-free guarantee. If you don't find value in what we deliver, you pay nothing. Zero risk, maximum upside. Your guide through this process is Cantle, a strategic marketing partner with decades of experience helping businesses cut through the noise, invest smarter, and grow with confidence. Ian brings real credentials, proven results, and a track record of transforming how businesses show up online. The time to act is now. Stop guessing. Stop wasting budget. Start marketing with clarity and confidence. Book your free discovery call today and take the first step toward total online presence mastery. Your competitors aren't waiting, and neither should you. Visit the link below and claim your spot. Let's build your roadmap to growth together.